So what's really and truly Aki we want to see you with now?
That everybody has seen. You think a lot of people text me about that? I say, watch ya. Ain't gonna easy.
You have to go back to your ex at one point in your life. Right, Javi?
Doctor, thank you, babe.
Right?
Tough.
Sorry, not.
I like your baby hair. You sell that wig?
No, babes. I don't miss you long.
Where did I sell wig and so darling, you know?
I do. I don't have any now.
Shan
Lady
come.
doing the makeup.
Shan, me not care about them things there.
You not hear me? She mute me.
Shan, you think we care about them things there?
Call the lady who I do the makeup now. You hear me?
What makes you know for your ear? She left. She some. We know she have the chlamydia. We don't know if she have ear. Maybe she just don't want. Maybe she just don't want to chat to you.
Me not talk to
Maybe she have chlamydia. Maybe that catching down there.
I get none of this approach, cause all you look at Akeem, you want to look on you. And not under Rosalie big fat thinking pussy and I get that clothes. So you just go and go sell for your cream them cause clients you a look. Cause from what I see I try run up in and make leave. Me not have time for you, not talk to me. Me not talk to you, don't talk to me. And when people done, them say them disrespectful. Guys, you remember the day when Blam them had me on the live with her and I never do nothing to this girl? I blam them had her and not even me had her. And Sugar said the bad girl is here. You come over here, you for call to me. And you class me, you go on it yourself and me that for class you back and you rank yourself. And ever since the little things start going with me and Javi, every minute Jabas go live, you in the comment and look friend. Cause you want clout. Now you come and make it look like me and you're cool cause you want clout. If you go click your live now, if you go sell cream. You're not too fake for me. I have it at mackerel we are deal with now. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Just please respectfully. Me not disrespect you, just don't talk to me, me not talk to you.
Maybe she wants somebody over here. Maybe she wants somebody further.
If she a beef with me, she a beef with herself. Cause me not beef with her.
But
me even coming on Jabba's thing and I say me love everything what go on.
What's a chain and a shame, we understand.
What kind of shame?
You never met them class your friend them.
No, me not friend her, but me not have no enemy over here, bro. So if she have enemy, she have enemy with herself.
Yeah, enemy with you, dog.
She have messed me from the whole thing what happened with Blam them and she block me. Me no block her now and she class me, you know, cause me no argue. And as she block me. And me just come in on Jabba's live what they say. Tell the girl that's if you unblock me. She see the comment cause yeah, she talk about it obviously. She
Black her all along. Me and Jabas been go live one heap of time. And she never tell Jabas to tell that girl if you unblock me. But as Javi come back and Vani start get a little shine now and views up now, you want unblock. Why never want me unblock up on a normal day? Why I know when everything I go the way it go? I'm not about to run into me, you know. You know.
Do man just mad.
At this you want to get client, you know. I have time for this.
Me, alright. The boy had me over here in a was, right? The boy.
No, I'm saying you why she argue and me not argue.
We associate beer from night. Maybe through Jada Jabba them park associate beer from night. The boy, one boy had me, one boy had her over
here. Come tell me to leave. Who not go let me free?
Yeah, not
she attack and me attack
to
where big people make me leave.
These are twist up here one. I don't afraid of you. So me don't feel, I'm never react and nobody can tell me overreact to she never seen me, never come back and yet. She never hold my hand but that she know Benny Bullshit. She don't go like she a God and she ain't a God boy. I'm afraid of so. You wanna call to you, you know have to call, if you don't want to call to man, you call to man, you just say I alone. You go like you're God and people must praise you. Move your blood clot, sufferation, not foreign bumbo. Actually what's one of my friend now that hungry, see?
No, but it's just weird to me.
She big and weird, brother.
Talking to me.
Yeah, nobody not have nothing over here, and you want beef with people.
No, me not go to you. Come and talk to you. Come and left you after left. Me not talk to you. Why are you talking to me? Why are you trying to call to me? I block you. Cool. Why try to talk to somebody that blocked
Because
you?
I'm grown. I'm grown. Me not have an issue with you.
This is what you want. You never grown. You never grown. When blam them at you, and you know, see, I so blam them troll and tell like to get views.
Alright, you know why me never call you and blam them at you because I'm mad. Because people send me videos say, yeah, what you do? What you call something react to one of my live them? Like me, I say, why you fast with me? That's why I was so mad.
Show me the live that I react and show me what I did wrong. Show the live to me.
The live about family, you did react to it.
That's what I'm saying. Go for the live.
You know what you do, girl. So we not have to go back over that. I'm grow past that.
Hold on.
No friend, me grow past it. Me just tell her why I
this you want me not. Hold on. I did a review. Pull up the review.
You do it.
I never said I didn't do it. And that is why two people can't talk. You call me down. Go for the review that I did.
We don't want to go back in the past.
Show me where I said something wrong. Show me where me diss you. Show me where me bully you.
I will react, girl.
Show me. You say what you say, I say what I say. Me just don't want to talk to you. You want to call me no maturity. Me just don't want to talk to you. That's it.
No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Because remember, say, me not look no friend, but the app, everybody cool. Or most people cool. Me not look no enemy on the app. That's a number one. You see it, and then your bex when me never call to you with. You see how you're weird? You're just weird. Cause your bex when me never call to you with the other guy. I know you're cussing now. I'm me not cussing and you're cuss.
I'm not cursing because I don't want to talk to you. I'm weird.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
So why am I weird? Because what's weird about me not want to talking to you?
No, I said that's fine. I got it. That's fine. It's not weird about that. I don't want the internet feel like say me a run down friend or me a text you or me a rain or make it look like a that. Oh, I just commented on Jabba's live one time and that's it.
Oh, you have to text me when you just admit to me block you.
Okay, that's right. No, meaning not on here. Look how much other places people can text, girl. Come on.
Okay, cool.
I mean, have your number. Long time you give me a number, even though I don't know if you change it, but yeah. Guys, I don't know mix up. You know something I like on the stay. Me not cuss with her. She not cuss, but she move off. Or she said she don't want to talk to me because of the Blamden incident. Fine. And I like me, I look no clout, me no care. Because when you know say I'm not about media and drama. Me just come sell me cream and me go. And realize how long me didn't come on the app talk the truth. So, if you come down and look clout. Me never come online. I mean, even say, you know, say, me love a little thing where I go with you and Javi, you share make it look, no, like say, me an enemy, I talk about Ackeem. Not do that.
Why you like it is, you see me and Javi, so now you want to get back with Ackeem now, for 15. That's what you want.
Because, you can't say that, girl. That's very big.
You want Ackeem now, you know, but Ackeem now left Rosalie, so you have me. You know, you have to.
Probably you can't say that, not do that. You don't know all on you, you can't do that. You can't say that.
10 Benz, you have to go buy him. Your money have to go bigger than Rosalie money if you come back.
I say that, girl. I really laugh about it because it's just crazy. Like, it's crazy.
No, man, I tell you.
No, what you people have
I use reverse.
Guys, she cool. Guys, I know some not hear that girl here, but sometimes she does. Just say me would go on Jabba's thing and said, tell a girl let's unblock me. Because remember she on the live so she knows me I said. Remember say me I don't have a beef and me not black her no. So why she need to block me? Anyways, I fear freedom that for all she want to feel if she begs say blame them or whatever. Because I that me not arguing no, me and this girl have nothing. But me just always just I say come like say she just always mad at me. I don't know.
Look, show me all this son. Me I go show you the recording when me leave review after she and wanted to tell me if me be any farmer way for she react. So remember me and her have nothing, me always send her request and she always accept me. Watch this now.
You find somebody add me find somebody.
Me the family. Listen what me say. You find somebody add me find somebody. Me never add she no.
You find somebody add me find somebody.
You want me add Benzema? WASP BENZEMA?
Me nobody you know.
You're not good.
Me and nobody know you nothing no co-worker them.
She promote sell pussy candy song.
No, my bleacher, that's what make you call.
Yes, the dirty girl left. You dirty little whore. You dirty little bitch. Now after me show this, even if you send WASP a request and you come back, me can't leave because you lose. I tell you, I'm not move until you move. I would have stayed till Armageddon come. You did have to tell me no dry more than me now. Oh.
I like candy
The PS3, the facial serum, and the radiant.
We're not watching now, guys.
Guys, who's Ziggy over there play with? I'm going. Yeah, for what? I got it there now. Hey, shut up, old girl. Go suck out your mother. Are you
She come on the screen and she for heal me. Now she come over here, she for heal me. The bad girl is here now. No, you tell me no. I remember me and this girl in the have no. Remember, even when her birthday, I should add me on my page. So if you see one review with me do, and you feel that way, I may your text off here too. If you see a review with me do, and you feel some type of way about it, all you have to do is message me and say, Ivany, me not have nothing, what is a review you for? You know you're wrong because why you couldn't message me because the review me do had no showing word or anything. This is exactly what I said. She talk about Tamily and all the girls them go down a Tamily and them have to do take orders and some shit like that. And when me hear it, me say me don't know which Tamily them they run, you know. But when me go down a Tamily, a different treatment me get. Me no itch up with the girl them there. Me in a room by myself. Me go anywhere, me get any amount of money, millions of dollars in front of me, me no touch it. Me and the people them cool. I want to talk about it, but you can't stop me from saying I want to talk about it.
All right, you talk about him then.
I
Me
will
not
talk
talk about him. Cause why you tell me to take back? Come on, Ivany, you. Me know you're not stupid. Me know you're not stupid. No, you're not stupid.
No, you want to take him back. You want to take him back. Me no.
You want to take him back?
You want to take him back.
Take him back? Like him gone somewhere? Ivany, you need for bill. For true, you need for bill.
Hey!
You think you want to get me that screen record and mix up? You need for bill, bro.
Oh, Jesus. Wasn't your time of course.
Low people in relationship. Jesus Christ. Guys, me not mean it no way. Cool.
Guys,
I'm gonna read it no way.
if you add me back now, we're gonna bring. I'm gonna introduce you back to Javi again. Well, you know,
Yeah.
you probably know Javi before. No, I don't know Javi before. No,
Guys, me can't eat Ivany. Me and her band
I actually did feel away. Me actually did feel away when was going up and blame them like because you know why I feel away and up till now I feel away because it was never a shades.
No, but me did take it that way.
It was just a review and me having people them pan live and the whole away laugh. It was never a shade. Me never shade you. Me never throw a word after you. Even when me see people that bring up back all record from when me did hack your page and I try to start conflict when me a turn back friend. Me never entertain it. When Jaden then come and talk about it, me jump. So if you see
me could have text about it.
Oh, you go on for the and mind you, know, when them at the end, I'm still not trying to share, you know. Me just did in on my phone, I try add somebody because we try going on 4 way. And when me hear you go, I say, watch her.
Yeah, I bet me the vex for sure.
I say, alright, cool. I'm saying, no, what?
Remember, me and somebody where I gonna just get up and company me that come cause. If me bex, me just hold my own as some me stay if me bex. Me not go, and I like you, we're gonna just come out and talk your mind and cuss. Remember, say me not stay like that. Me don't more for text you and say, you know, say me not like this or me not like that.
That's why I say why was could text me coming that tell her even upon the life say it was never a shade towards you.
Because me say me and you good, so why you
that's why me I wonder which screen record you see. That's why I say pull you up after something.
Come on, say why should I do that? So I feel weird, so that's why when I come on the line, I never caught you. That's why.
Let's reunite now. Hi.
My girl. Sure.
You see WASP? We're making it up right now.
Alright, go on there thing.
One person missing.
God.
TikTok are good. Nice, I get it all. Man, tell you. What is the problem?
Guys, not
No, me never gonna move for true. Mackerel too out of the shit. And say, and she have a job. Me never da move. I'm the queen of TikTok. What, you don't want to say hi to? You guys not friends?
yeah, we're cool. We don't have nothing. Maybe I'm surprised, we don't know.
Yeah, we've been making it up from a longer while, you know, Javi.
Tough.
Yeah,
What's a good girl, man? What's a good girl? So I start shoot now. You know about the Ray? It was the Ray.
Watch that.
No, we're not talking about
What JP?
we can't afford the screen
You just
record.
want to bill?
But we have to talk in that code because people them just wait for screen record something. To go post on phone. Talk to us, say what the Ray. They don't know what we are top, them can't read in the code.
Put a ray, but me not ray. What?
Yeah, we're talking in the code because they mix up. You can't make them catch me off guard. No, guys, me actually did hurt for true when me did see was when we did join the life. Come here, say, Lord Jesus. Me I was just
Cause she gone?
me vex, me at days because you find
Me realize.
me vex. Come here, say, watch out. I must somebody go tell you something now. Me vex. Come here, say, oh, you for make blame them trick you. For make you talk something, you know. Blame them come like Jaden. When you hear them talk, you know, listen to them. Figure it out. We're gonna figure things out.
My God.
No, you have to remember the good what people do for you in a real life. Remember one time I did. What did happen when me and Shay did fight, and the police
lock up?
and me did get locked up. I was Enhance and one guy or such guy. They used to come. Them time the Javi, I think Javi never reach a town yet, or they never the town. I probably watch or something. And they used to dead it for me. And then bail me out and carry food, wash my clothes, and when we come out, me and then two youth the was used to par and go riddles and something. Remember when they look at us for rent for me live together. So you see me now, guys, I always remember the good. That's why you see me easily we talk back to people who actually do something good for me. I don't really make because of one argument or because I want something me and somebody go through. Me we easily talk back to people like them. And that's why I say when you see me up on screen with blinger, and then people that will not tell me for jump me, I tell them so I can program me, because even when I lock up a blinger, they for me. So you see the internet will make you vex with some people, and then I know how far and the people them come from. But that's why I don't listen to them and do what me have to do. May I listen to them. Nah, such a stay from day one, you know. You know, mix up. Javi, it's a good look. You have to make things work. Right? Was he upset kind of call me, but in Canada she shut a fire and one jump in it. And then he must send me request when me never got add you for mackerel go turn pie and start cussing and say something. So I had to block you out. So
Me love what not going though. It's nice. It's interesting.
I think it would be more interesting if you do the same thing too.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
No, not feeling it. I see someone, but I not feeling it.
You see somebody new or you see somebody new?
Not new, but somebody.
Lord Jesus, I open up me thinking of that. For me, I stop it.
But you comment, guys, what me do, guys?
Lord God, nobody make their hurt heart.
Lord God. Me not trouble, yeah, I'm on the sideline, I go and watch.
Brown or black?
That's what me do best.
Brown or black?
In between.
You have to help me figure it out.
Weak.
Alright, let me see one that look a good hint. Me associate with the person.
Remember, we don't want them, no.
Yeah, that's.
Hi, Monichi.
If I feel content, fine. But if I feel real thing, if me think me know how me, I tell you no.
I feel like you know who, because you always know.
Me feel me know how to, you know, but me not think it's the right choice. I mean, you never know. You never can know, you know, you never know, but
Never know what happened. We
you
don't
never know
know.
if you probably can change somebody, you never know. I feel like
Alright, you see, that situation there would have bring a lot of heat, but I don't know. Yeah,
but I go mix you, man. I can't, man. I don't mix up, you know. I'm gonna stop it.
guys, we're not chill now, we're just a
Yeah,
reason.
I have all sort of hate to come off for you, but on the internet, you have to, a long time she didn't, and she must know. Only that side, only
Guys,
know.
no, who, guys, we're not chill.
Don't tell them no. So,
Never comment everybody name to rat. Guys, don't go back and no, who.
he freeze, internet low.
No, I even do it. Me
Oh,
I
shit.
blink.
Yeah, right.
Guys, I want you.
You're
Eh?
not him one a world, him zone out.
I'm silent. My dear. Hi, Bonita. Thank you for the heart. Oh, God. Oh, not tag. Me confused, guys. Guys, me not going to
Like a person, or
if
just
you
not.
don't comment, me not going to tell you now. Eh?
You like a person, or just your feelings.
No, me must say, me not really know people on the app that much, like being around them or nothing. Me just, yeah, if you understand.
Hear them about jabbers.
Sister girl.
Yes.
Don't man. Don't man, me I give back a follow.
Why people feel like they can't program me, brother? Me like them, I make me just chip out the blood. Cause why do feel like they can't program me?
Ah.
That somebody try program me, somebody try control me, somebody try tell me what to do. At 28 years old, chill the fuck out. Mama, hold on. Me go restart before. Hold on, me so come was no move. Me so come Javi. Brother, wanna stop do that. Stop force on man pa me. Me no go on to no views, brother. My life no revolve round man. If I feel like I want to click my life today and I see a man and I just want to reason with friends or reason with my co-workers them, adapt me, and every day I go click my life and me and Javi. Him can't program me. Uno can't program me. Stop it. Me not interested. I'm not interested. I can't dep on my life, bro. And I play a match without you not tell me to go over the youth live. Without you not tell me say add him. I can't have a conversation with a co-worker without you not tell me say a man time. Man. If I that you not gonna deal with, brother, leave me back with my 1,000 views. I wanna go on. Me not want the cloud. Take it and go on. If I saw not gonna deal with her every day is just about man, take it and go on. Me no want the views, me no want the club, me no want to do it. Just go on with it, make me stay. It's like, me all add, everybody knows say me troll with my friend. My other one of my man friend them a par with, oh, Javi jealous. Jealous of what? I been a troll and talk dirty with my friend them, I saw me make my money. Me gone and me a reason with one of my co-worker them, a Javi time. And nine, leave me alone. Everything, every day, man.
Guys, on the bill now, we're gonna comment them.
If somebody play one match, man. If you talk to somebody, man, leave me alone.
Give me a push, please.
Okay, go on.
Guys, who there can give me a push for going to the ranking?
Me delete TikTok and go for your wife, you know. I will stay over there now. I'm tired of doing this man thing every day. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me and what's the reason I tell me about man? The try we can sit down and have a conversation yesterday without not tell me jump. Your man want to talk to you, jump. Me jumping up on the screen the whole day today. Me so not try for make. Try piss me off. So me talk, and when me talk, when catch up on record, oh, cause me soon already do it already. Oh, she I get tired of him now. I don't want to have the worst thing for say. You see, after me come off a live today, me never come back until a week. Watch. Me I get TikTok a break.
Thank you so much, hon.
Me now come back on live.
Thank you.
And my next blood clot one coming out. But no pussy America for 1 month. Say if you not jump through the blood clot, but I know where your blood clot one. You know, go over tonight.
Lord have mercy. Guys, 6K.
So what's really and truly Ackeem we want to see you with now?
That everybody has seen. You think a lot of people text me about that? I say, watch ya. Ain't gonna easy.
You have to go back to your ex at one point in your life. Right, Javi?
Chocolate, thank you, babe.
Right?
Tough.
Chocolate, not.
Let me add some money. Will. Marvin, listen to my message.
Yeah, mommy, me see it. How not going?
Get the text back.
Yo.
You text him back. Anika!
Eh?
Good shit. Where color a while ago?
Eh, what is it?
Where color a while ago?
So funny, how you talk about? I don't know what about.
Oh, I'm here.
Oi, big man.
Yeah.
All right. Ever I say big man? Okay. If I serious something, we can talk about it.
By yourself.
Check, me not like this. Girl, she not like me, so me not like this.
Tap the screen time.
She not like me, just me not like this.
Hey, listen to my comment section. Why not predict my mood?
Yeah.
Stop predict my mood on my youth. I'm good. Just there watch it pray. Stop predict my mood on my youth. I know.
Thank you so much, everybody. Come, guys, push you up in our ranks.
Check, let's go, man.
All right, kid. Focus, chat.
Exactly, gone, God. Guys, we are looking for 4K. We got 99. Wow.
Not like A1, you know, A1 ultimate, you know. Like 8.
Oh, the time. Guys,
So, Benzema, you know I'm really near to you, though.
As always.
huh?
I'm saying I'm really near to you, though.
You know what I mean there?
No, I said I'm near to you. That's what I said.
Yeah, but that's not you know where I'm
Guys,
at.
triple.
Oh, man,
I gotta work. Chat triple. We are. Guys, triple.
You know, I don't know.
Mama, big up my chat. Well, out me gift to them to you.
Triple, guys, in the cash up on the triple. Don't get me, no.
Thank you.
No, cause I'm in front. You know what me want from what me no want.
And yeah, thank you.
No, I you me want. Cause you know me from somewhere.
Yeah, the figure outside. Figure it outside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you said that. Okay, cool, Kyle.
If tonight feel half dull, you know, you not turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light.
Not too heavy, I can't bother. Everybody, there's a mood swing going on tonight, guys.